it's your boy Seth, aka Seth Clement. Welcome back to another one. The same day, another vlog. But y'all ain't gonna see it until like a week later. But today, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna see the bro that I haven't seen in a while. He got a new whip, tough whip. I ain't gonna let y'all know what it is yet. But let me know if what y'all think it is in the comments before you see it. Right now, we finna go ball, just chill, and then after probably, you know, go through his car and just check it out for real. Go for a ride or something like that. But yeah, right now I'm on the way to Garden City to meet up with him. So once I get there, I'll pull it up. Back. We got Jordan in the building, man. Come on. I'm gonna show him how it's done. Spin ball. Are we good to go? Are we good to go? Nice! Hey, let me look in. Hold on. Huh? No, let me look in. Next one. Damn, bro. It's the camera, I'm telling you. Once I put it down, it's wraps. Oh, it's wraps. Yo, ass too. Oh, bro. Ass too. Oh, bro. No. Alright, come on. Bro, there's no way we're both ass. Hold on, let me lock in real quick. You can see me? He's good. We got 8 down. Damn. 8 down, 2 to go. We gonna beat him, bro, I swear. On me. Come on, bro. Hang on, we started off terrible. Hey, no bad, no. We started off terrible. But nah, it's been a minute since I've seen Jordan. Probably about like a year or two. But oh yeah, we trash, bro. But anyway, I'm gonna catch up when I get like halfway or something like that. Whoever wins, but yeah. I just hit a spin. No, wait, hold on. No. That ain't possible. No. Bro, we got a spin. I got a 9 of a spin and go 1. It ain't even like that though. Hold on. Update. He up by 1. I just need to get a strike and I'm good. I just need a strike and I'm good. With the camera in my hand. With the camera in my hand. Yeah, with the camera in my hand. Bro, with the camera in my hand, bro. Bro, what is this, gang? But my accuracy's there, but I just can't get it. Oh, bro, with the camera in my hand. On bro. Come on, stand up. 50 to 49. Loving it. I'll come back with the winner. Yeah. He thinks he's goated. I ain't gonna lie, I messed up on the last 10, but oh yeah, I might have a chance. But all you need is 2. Yeah, I messed up. No. You are. Oh, bro. Yeah, he's cooked. He's cooked. No, he's won it. We tied? Say swear. Oh, there's no way. There's no way. It's down to the last game then. It's down to the last game. Hang on, I'm sweating right now. We serious. But halftime update. Yeah, coach. Halftime update. Your boy from the lead. Oh, you still got one more? Oh. You can finish with 35. $33's cool. 33's cool. Hey, halftime update. Yo. Oh yeah. On the game, you know your boy has to win. 90 to 73, you know your boy. Come on. Big does. He's done with. Hey, he's just so loser, bro. Look at him. Hey, he's just so loser. Yeah.
Run it back.
Run it back. Nah, hell, they have to run it back. But yeah, that was an easy run. You know, got like one strike. Last game you had like 2 strikes.
Yeah, the last game we were better, bro.
We low-key, yeah, that was crazy. 82. We're winning a few right now. But I'll see, I want to get outside. All right, y'all, we get done. Obviously, I won, because, you know what I'm saying. But here's the car, bro. This is crazy. Damn, that purple. He wrapped it as well. With the green? I mean, the yellows? With the yellows? What do you call it? Some yucky eyes or something? Some yucky eyes? I'll blur out the home play anyway. Damn, bro. And 2. No, that's hard. That's hard. Bro, let's go. Come on, man. You gonna make it.
We're gonna make it crazy.
Bro, that. Hey, move out the way. Oh, I need my seatbelt on. I'm tripping. Dang, look at that police over there. No. Ain't gonna lie, we almost. Hey, ain't gonna lie, we almost. Bro, we almost stacked it, bro. Hey, those girls are looking at us crazy. We almost hit the curb. Nah, we could. Yeah. Come on.
We chill on, bro.
Bro, that was crazy. No, that's tough.
That's our real drive power, bro.
I need that power. What? Bro, what? Nah. Yeah, those girls were looking at us crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Were they on the street?
No, they drove by.
Oh.
They were like, I was like, all right. Bro.
Yeah, that shit.
Hold on. Yo, listen to this. can't really hear it. I'll get a different video. Bro, that's different.
I didn't even know I'm going, bro. I really hear it, though.
No, I wouldn't go down. Oh, that might be a shout. I don't know, hey. Ain't gonna lie, ain't nobody right down there. Bro, this is crazy. I'm seeing that kick.
Oh yeah.
I'm seeing that kick, yes. So, bro, this is crazy, bro. Nah.
That's like open.
Oh yeah. Bro, I need this. What were we talking about? Bro, I'm telling y'all, my heart is dropping. My heart is dropping to my feet. No. Bro, the power in this. I'm trying to think of a car I've been in that has got the power. No, I think it's the first one. No, first one. Yeah, that's crazy. Bro, what? Nah, that first beat was crazy.
Oh, I got a little bit scared.
I was like, nah, about hit the. I was like, nah. And then that crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely real on this. Crazy. Hold on. Hold on now.
Hold on, that boy.
Damn, damn, damn.
Oh, okay. Get back around.
Yo.
Let it get like a fool.
Hold on. Damn, damn, damn. Damn. Damn! Damn! Nah, that's sick! Oh, that's lit. Yeah. That is lit. That is lit.
Oh man, we'll do one more and then we go.
Yeah. Yo, focus up! Damn! Woo! Alright, that was a proper one though. Yo!
Oh, get out of here.
Yo! Nah, that's actually sick. Nah, that's lit. Nah, I appreciate you doing that, gang. I ain't gonna lie, that was tough.
How to, bro?
Damn. Yeah, this is, yeah. This is definitely better than the other one. Cause I went, whose car did I went in? I think it was yours,
Yeah, you did. Oh,
yeah, it was yours, yeah. Those COVID times.
Yeah, COVID.
Hey, bro, we in the cabins. Remember that time we had to stay in the cabins?
Yeah.
Damn. Hey, I'm finna be looking at my facial expressions on this video when I edit, bro.
It's the replay, bro.
Bro, what? Damn. He's showing me the car. Bro, look. Carbon fiber. All the way, bro. That's just the only carbon fiber in here?
And the engine,
Oh, yeah. Oh, that is crazy. carbon fiber, bro. That's carbon fiber on the. Yeah, that's sick, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That's so tough. Yeah. I need to be another, bro. No, like pronto. So where'd you find it? Like, just randomly you was just scrolling through or something?
Marketplace, bro.
Yeah, I'm talking. Yeah.
It was on Marketplace,
You just
bro.
scrolling through and just you just found
My
it.
brother sent it to me, bro. He sent me the ad. I was like, damn. And like within a couple days, bro. Got it, bro.
I know retro's high, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, kind of normal.
Yeah.
Nah, that's
I'm gonna get
smooth.
Specialized plates soon.
Yeah, that'd be clean.
Yeah.
Black ones.
Yeah.
What would you do with it? Like what?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I mean,
Cause what was your one?
It was Ricard, bro.
Ricard. And then Peter had the what was his number plate? Something crazy. Oh, what was it?
I remember it. It was at least the what
Was it Puppy? No, it wasn't Puppy.
Oh, Chew Puppy.
Chew Puppy.
Yeah.
Yes, it was Chew Puppy. Yeah, that was tough. Nah, that's Yo, bro, that's crazy. Bro, we did a donut. That was crazy, I ain't gonna lie. But that's the goal, bro, I'm telling you. Bro, I'm telling you, that's the goal. But what a vid. Hope y'all liked it, man. 2 vids in one day. Come on, we on the grind. Hope y'all liked it, man. Again. Hey, love y'all. Make sure you're safe. You feel me? Hey, be the change you wish to see in the world. That's it. Simple as that.
Yeah, might not sound bad. I'm gonna ask something to you when I crash. I'm in first play, never laugh. Glock on me, never laugh. I put that nigga head down, they laugh. Can't tell my rain, I'm gonna laugh. And then when smoke get shot in his head. Yeah. How about the AR? Here, just got a new hat. These niggas ain't putting in work for real, they buying them hats. These niggas ain't slime for real, they paying for hats. I know some of you ain't that slime for real, they slime for real. Hey, slime for real. I told my nigga slime to kill. Yeah. You want me slime, nigga, you gotta kill. Want me a gang, gotta catch you about it. Yeah. All y'all nigga got bodies, yeah. All y'all nigga got hobbits running around in the brand new Hummer, yeah. Don't follow me, yeah. Told that nigga don't follow me, yeah. You hear me, nigga, just bum your rifle. ARP get shot in his face. Yeah. What you gonna do, nigga? What you say? You take that rock, gon' lose your face. You take that right, gon' lose your game.